Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to pin chats on your Snapchat. Really easy and simple to do. All you have to do this is head over to the Snapchat application and open that up. Once you're on the Snapchat application, you want to go over to your chats and just find the chat that you want to pin. So I'll just go on one of my conversations right here, and I'll just long press on it, and then it will pop up this menu right here. Once you see this menu, you want to click on More, and then here you'll see an option to pin conversation. And then it will pin this conversation to the top of all your conversations just to keep like a priority list of your chats for you to keep them more organized. If I was able to help you guys out with this video, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.